What is AI-ready data platform then? It's a contextualized, structured, and governed data platform. It's a layer on top of our IT, ET, and OT sources. And the shift being there is the repeatability. So we've got all the data in place. We've got ERP data, MES data. We've got OT data there. They are on par with each other so that we can start working on that and generate analysis reports, use AI on top of it so that it's unified data and we can spread it across the organization. What we can do there then is we can build operational excellence. We can optimize our operations globally within our enterprise. We can empower our workforce, and we can build advanced automation and AI on top of it when we've got these measures in place.